Hello, I'm Lisa and I'm going to show you how to make your own custom iris folding cards with numbers on. So I have a friend who is turning 50 and I wanted to make her a special card. So first of all, I got some card and cut out on my Brother ScanNCut machine the number 50. Now with this, sometimes you can keep the zero exactly kind of as it is, but I quite like to keep this and stick this on afterwards when I've finished. If you want me to go through a video of how you cut out the numbers on the Brother ScanNCut, just drop me a message in comments and I will do my best to get that sorted and uploaded. So to do this, I cut out the numbers and then I use this particular template that I've got that's for a square, and what you'll see is I've got these numbers on it and they go from A all the way to N and they run round on each of these. This is a standard square iris folding template. If I just put those little bits over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the numbers in a particular way so that I'm going to get a particular type of design. Now, lots of times I have gone for just trying to place the middle of the iris in the middle and kind of line that up and do my standard kind of square iris folding going round. And that comes out looking really lovely. And then you can do the same with the other number as well. But this time I really fancy like just doing an iris folding rather than having the four kind of structure of swirls. I actually want them just to be two and I want to see how it goes. I know this is a bit of a work in progress. I haven't tested this out yet. So my thought is to go for something that more for the zero looks like this. So I've kind of got this, I'll have these coming around here in one colour and coming around here in another colour. And then for my 5, I'm kind of thinking something along the lines of kind of here maybe. So again, I've just got 2 colours that I'm going to be working with and having the same colour. I think I'm going to go for the lighter colour at the top and the darker colour at the bottom. So how I plan this out is once I feel quite happy with where my number is sitting, I then get a pencil and draw around. Now what you will notice, and I haven't mentioned just yet, is that I'm working with the 5 the wrong way around. So this is intentional because in iris folding we work on the back, and once we are finished we then turn it round right side on. So it doesn't matter as long as you've got kind of a rough idea of where these are. There we go. So when I take this off we should be able to see my 5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom you in a bit closer. So hopefully that's zoomed you in closer and you can see that outline of the number 5. Now on here we want to make sure that we are working with the letters that are higher up in the alphabet first. So I need to have a little look because I'm going to be working on this section here and this section here. I need to look. So M is further along than J, so I'm going to be starting off in this section here. So this little piece here is going to be my number 1. Then I've got L and K before I get on to J. So I'm going to do 2, 3, and then J I'm going to do as number 4, and then I'm going to be doing J on this section here. So I'm going to do 5 here. Then I'm going to come back round and I'll be on I next. So that will be number 6. And then round again. So this will be number 7. Then I'm coming round again to H. And I'm going to be 8. And coming round here, H is going to be 9. Now what you need to note on here is when we do 2, 3, 4, 6, we're also carrying it not just along here, but we're going all the way up as well. So it may help you to just add on here the numbers if you've got a chance of forgetting that you want to continue all the way off. Just put 5 there, and that's absolutely not what I wanted to do. There we go. Number 5 there. So the same with these ones. So this number 9 is going to be going all the way along, and this will be 9 up here as well. So it's a complete strip along here. So we've done 8, 9. We're moving on to number 10. So this is here. Then we're moving round. So number 11. So we're G, moving on to G, number 11. And there's still some of that up here as well. So that will be 11 too. Moving on back round. So we've got 12 for F. F on this side is 12 here, and there's just a little tiny bit here. Just put the 12 in there. Then 13 is going to be here. So I've got, oh, hang on, whoa, whoa. See, this is how easy it is to go a little bit awry. So we had 11, we did 12. So this is 13. Whew. So that's my 13. So this here is going to be 14, which is E. This one here is going to be 15. We then don't have any more coming in here of this other colour. So we're going to be going 15, 16, 17. And that is how our pattern is going to go for that number 5. When we're doing our 0, again, I'm going to place it on here. Like I say, you can go for kind of a centre, but I want this kind of half and half sort of feeling design. When you're doing it, if you kind of get to a bit like this, which is really tiny, I wouldn't do like a little thin slither there. I would do the whole of that as kind of one colour. So let's have a little look and see. I think that gives me a nice feel to it, I think. So let's draw round again. So again, just lightly tracing round your shape. I'm a bit shaky today. Ooh. Okay, we'll remove that off. So here is our 0. So again, we're starting off with the number that is furthest in the alphabet. So on here I've got L, on here I've got I. So I'm going to be doing L, K and J all together, kind of doing separate kind of strips, but all on one kind of colour before I then do I, and then I'll be moving on to this I down here. So I'll be starting off with number 1 here, and then number 2, then number 3, then number 4, and because it's I down here, number 5 is going to be down here. Then we're going to carry on round, so this will be 6, carrying on round, 7, carrying on round, 8, carrying on round, 9, carrying on round, 10, and you'll note this is F. So we're looking for F again on this side. So this is 11, coming round again, 12, 13, 14 up there, 15, and I don't have a C on here on my kind of section that is this piece here. So I'll be going 15 straight into 16 here. So that is how you plan out onto a square pattern any number, or you could do letters as well with this. So once you've done that, you are ready to start your iris folding. I will do in a separate video the iris folding, but I just wanted, for those of you who've done a bit of iris folding before and have tried one of my square patterns, I'll pop the link in the description for those. I thought it would be quite nice that you could have an idea of how you can make your own kind of template from that standard square pattern. I will put a link to my website as well, where you will be able to find, I'll do a blank square template for you just with the alphabet on, so it's ready for you to use. You can just print off then have your template, and once you've got your template, you can just go through the steps that we've gone through in this video. Please do drop a note in comments if there's anything else that you would like to know. Thanks ever so much for watching.